A payroll approver gets locked out at 8:30 a.m. Timesheets are waiting, and the direct deposit cutoff is getting closer. At the same time, a phone issue is dropping customer calls at another location. These are not abstract IT problems. They stop approvals, tickets, invoices, and customer handoffs. As Matt Lieneck, service desk manager at Auxilium, puts it, remote support works best when the technician understands the workflow behind the ticket, because restoring access before payroll closes matters more than closing a device issue. That is the real value of remote IT support. It is not just screen sharing. It is fast triage tied to the work at risk. When staff are off-site, traveling, or split across locations, a locked laptop, failed VPN connection, printer issue, or cloud access problem can delay critical work. Remote IT support helps restore logins, recover MFA access, diagnose devices, review VPN and application issues, and separate minor user problems from issues blocking finance, customer service, payroll, or approvals. It also matters for phones, cloud apps, and daily tickets. If a phone queue starts dropping calls, a remote technician can check alerts, user permissions, endpoint health, and connection status before deciding whether the issue is tied to the phone system, user profile, or local circuit. When hands-on help is needed, same-day dispatch is available when appropriate. Remote support becomes even stronger when it connects to monitoring, backups, identity controls, and security response. Backup alerts can become tickets before an audit or recovery event. Threat indicators can be addressed earlier. Patch visibility, endpoint management, and access reviews help reduce unmanaged risk across remote laptops and shared desktops. As operations grow, IT gets messier. New locations, new hires, cloud tools, phone dependencies, and approval workflows do not always change at the same pace. Leaders should name the workflows that get blocked, map users and systems, verify recovery readiness, and standardize the support path. Remote IT support should protect payroll, calls, approvals, and daily workflows before work stalls. Read the full article to see how Auxilium approaches remote support, and add this to your Spotify playlist.